As they proceeded up from this confluence of the Marias River and the Missouri River, they started to encounter a different landscape on the plains. And Lewis forged ahead to make sure they were on the right stream, and he was separated from the group. And in a 24-hour period, he was nearly killed by a buffalo bull, a badger or wolverine, a rattlesnake, and a grizzly bear. And that night in his journal, he says, "The entire animal kingdom has conspired against me." He was scared out of his mind up near Great Falls, Montana. Fortunately, the bear didn't eat him, so he survived that. And he arrived at the Great Falls, and he wrote that this was such a splendid view. He said, "I again viewed the falls and was so much disgusted with the imperfect idea which it conveyed of the scene that I determined to draw my pen across it and begin again. But then I reflected that I could not perhaps succeed better than penning the first impressions of my mind." So he's giving this idea that he just can't write down how cool this place is.